Hello, hello. My name is Ethan, and I'm one of the owner-operators at King Kleen. We took delivery of our Lucid C1 cleaning drone about 5 months ago. We're very happy with this purchase. It certainly has added to our portfolio of services that we can provide, and it provides us with a very competitive edge, which I did not expect. Being someone that came from not ever really successfully flying drones, this was kind of a big, hairy, audacious goal. But the tools that Lucid provides through Drone U really have been tops to give me that confidence not only to go out there and get work, but also to do that work with the piece of equipment. We always know that we're backed by their support. Their support is excellent. We both sent in and actually self-repaired our drone. And we always have a live person there. There was one instance that I actually had a live technician on video call with me for a few hours. So we've always had quick turnaround and really appreciate this product.